Hi guys, this is Mani Chopra here at the Wokingham Bank site. I've done a few videos earlier for the flats above, which is the first tranche of the flats that are going up for basically on the market. But I wanted to show you the progress we've made on the ground floor flats because, as I mentioned in previous videos, it's a top-down approach. So the top 5 flats are the first which are ready, where the plaster is almost done. The tiling has started actually in all the bathrooms as well. So that will be a follow-up video. So let's go have a look and see what's happening on the ground floor. So this is the main entrance to the 2 flats on the ground floor. Let's have a look. So coming into the site here, on the left here is going to be a bike store. So this massive room here with very, very high ceilings, store 3 meters, is going to be bike store for all the apartments. So good sort of amenity space. Coming into flat 1 is a little bit messy, so do bear that in mind because there's plastering going on as we speak. This flat is over 70 square meters in size. So let's have a look at the layout and what's being done here. Here you can come and have a look and see all the electrics have been done. The plasterboarding is also completed and the plastering is going on. So this room right here is going to be a lovely large laundry room. So great storage for whoever ends up buying this one. Coming into the site here, it's a little bit dark in here, but this room here is going to be the kitchen. So this is the only apartment in the block which has a separate kitchen. All the other ones are open plan living kitchen areas right here. Here, if you look right here again, light is a little bit less, but this massive room here is going to be the main bathroom of this 2-bedroom apartment right here. Let's quickly have a look at the other rooms. There is some light here, so if you come in and have a look, the plastering is literally been just completed. It hasn't even been dried yet. So the plasters are going ahead and doing what they need to do. In terms of the windows, there'll be new windows here, which we had to put a planning application for, and the film will come off, and there'll be obviously a lot more daylight coming into this room. But this right here is the living area here. Obviously the kitchen is separated, as I just showed you earlier. And this here is bedroom 2. So again, good sized rooms with very, very high ceilings, and right there is the plasterer, so I'm not going to disturb them. We're not going in there right now, but that's the master bedroom with the ensuite, and I can show you that in a follow-up video. Let's go and have a look at the other apartment. So here, electrics completed, plasterboards completed, plastering ongoing. So although we're going to go to flat 9 from this route here, but bear in mind this is going to be a brick wall right here, and that's going to be just the flat 1 access from here, and the flats above, and the staircase going to the flats above. But let me quickly show you the other 2 flats in the ground floor as well. So again, this is the flat 9, which has been reserved already. This has now been taken. This is the large 3-bed, which is the 123 square meter apartment. Again, as you can see, electrics all completed, plasterboarding right here. You have the fire-proof plasterboarding in between where in the ceiling space. A lovely large big hallway here. Main bathroom. Additional cloakroom. And right here is, as I said, the electrics have just been completed. There's still plasterboarding, parts of this room here, and that's the ensuite right there. And yeah, this is all this flat 9 that I was telling you about, the big flat. Again, quite messy, so I'm not going to go in there right now. And let me show you flat number 2. So this is where you come into flat 2 and flat 9. This is going to be the sort of entrance hallway. Coming in here, you have the door to this flat right here. Again, coming in, you can see all the electrics are done. Plasterboarding is done in this room's living area here, right here, with the kitchen going to be here. So you have all the services for the kitchen done. And there's obviously plastering is still left to do. So this is probably the last 2 flats left to be done right here. And here, the team is actually doing the plasterboarding as we speak. And this is going to be a lovely large double bedroom as well when it's all done. But right now, there's, it's the right site right now. Let's go and have a look at, well, I think this is pretty much it on this video here, guys. So we do weekly property content, so do like, follow and subscribe us, and do have a look at our website, teamtitans.co.uk, for our next event, which is Thursday the 13th of June, and it's the last one before we break up the summer and get back in the room in September. Thanks for watching.